Got this 360 dash cam for the car. We had a few accidents already and we decided that it's time to invest. What I like about this is that you see all sides around you, and some of them you only get front and back. I don't think that's good enough. You need to be able to see sides too. Inside the box you get your manual. You also get a Lexar 128 gigabyte micro SD card. The front camera. The cigarette lighter cable, which is your main power source. This is your backup, your rear camera. The package also comes with some tools and wiring management. Here's a suction cup for the front. I am now in the car, ready to install the dash cam. The instruction says to follow this path for optimal installation, and that's what we're going to do. The camera will be positioned right over here, and then the cable will go all around, like so. Suction cup here that goes to corresponding slot over here, and also follow the instruction on this where to left is to unlock and to right is to lock. You need to apply some pressure to get the most grip as possible. Turn the camera around and you'll find the power right over here at the top. Take the cigarette lighter wire, and this is the end for USB-C power. This is where it needs to go. I recommend that you plug it in before routing all the wire to make sure the device is working properly. With the power in the cigarette lighter, I can see the device is working properly. So I'm going to start routing the cable right now. I recommend that you use the provided tool to tuck in all the wires all along the provided route. This area might be a little tricky for you. You should be able to hide it underneath this rubber seal all along right over here. I took the plug out of the cigarette lighter and routed the whole plug through this, and then right behind the glove compartment all the way around. It's nicely tucked away from everything. I should be able to close it without an issue. It's all plugged in, and as you can see, it's still working. Here the cables are nicely tucked away using those fasteners. Now let's move to the rear one. Once more, at the top of the camera, you should have an input right there. That's your rear camera input. Remember, instead of going down this way like the other one, like the front, the rear one simply just goes up and all along all through the back. Back is lifted up, of course. There's plenty of wire to go. Actually, I wasn't expecting that. I thought I didn't have enough. So we're gonna go right over here, underneath over there. We made it all the way to the back. Before I do anything else, I'm gonna connect the camera to make sure it's working. And there it is. The rear camera is optional. So the rear camera will be placed using these adhesive stickers. I think I'm pretty much almost done. I'm gonna tuck the wires properly. For now, I decided to tuck away the extra wires here. I'll have to figure out a better way to do it later, but for now, this is not bad. So, and here's the connecting point, and the rest goes down here. So the installation is finished. Everything is nice and snug. And the last thing I need to do is put in this SD card, and we're good to go. When you put this SD card in, face it this way, That's how it's supposed to go in. Once the SD card is inside, it will go through some initialization. I highly recommend this. Very, very nice. Very quick installation. And like I said, 360 dash cam is what you want, not just front and back.